Linda has a question. If you're working a honey jar and the top of the glass jar breaks but stays intact, what does that mean? And should you continue working the honey jar? Was it a metal lid? Why did the lid catch on fire? Do you know why Linda, did you know why it broke? Is there any reason that you could see for it breaking? Was it getting hot? Was the glass getting hot? So whenever we have something weird in general going on with a candle spell, I always look to see what is the material world reason for this first. Was there a material world reason? So the herbs on top caught on fire. Okay, great. That's what I want to know. So so here's first of all, number one thing. I would not put herbs. If you have herbs catching on fire, you probably have too many herbs on something. So I would be very I am very minimalistic when it comes to adding herbs to a candle because I have seen glass break, glass jar candles with tons of herbs that look beautiful, but when we get to the bottom, the herbs catch on fire and they start burning. I also would recommend not using flammable herbs. So you can grind your herbs into powders, and the powders aren't as flammable as like a leafy herb. So if you're putting, let's say, dried mint on something, if you can powder that mint, it's not going to catch on fire like a dried leaf will. So that is another recommendation. So use powders or use hard, seeds or things like that aren't as liable to catch on fire, and less fluffy, leafy, petally herbs that are more liable to catch on fire. That would be the first recommendation. Second thing, if we know why it happened because the herbs caught on fire, then you know that it's not necessarily a significant thing in your spell work. It is simply, I had too many herbs caught on fire. That's why the glass got hot and it broke. Now, if it comes and there weren't any herbs that were catching on fire, or there was no reason for that glass to break and that glass broke, then I would say somebody's either working against your spell, or there's some kind of, this is like your spirit saying, don't do this spell. So, but that is only if there is no reason. Like if it broke for no reason, you couldn't see a discernible physical reason why it broke, then I would go there. Also, with a honey jar, you don't need to add herbs. By the way, you don't need to add herbs to the candle because you're having herbs in the honey. You should have the herbs in the honey. And all you need is a candle with some oil on it on the top of that metal lid. So that is another little trick, a workaround so that you don't end up with that situation again. So if you can retrieve the honey without the jar breaking and glass getting into it, or maybe it's better to start over again and just start from scratch, but this time not use. I think it's too dangerous and could be a big mess if honey starts leaking out. I would just start over again with that honey jar. Honestly, that's what I would do.